this is recorded video. You can, I will share this video and it will be free to be, tawag dito, watch. I just hope lang na sa inyo na lang. Wag na sana for the entire class. Okay, because I will be using some of the personal files of my other students from other schools. So, hopefully ay makip na lang natin siya. Let me share my file for you. Yeah, it's already shared na ba? Nakikita na po pala yung file ko. Sorry. Okay, salamat. Okay, if that's the case, then let's start. Um, Thank you for the 24 students who joined me today. Again, it's still open. Kindly let them know to join for this special meeting rather. So again, good morning class. For today's special meeting, thank you for your availability, for your willingness to discuss this. Again, the agenda is for two reasons. Number one, particularly for all those who said yes to represent your class for the tour package proposal this coming April 15. Malapit na po siya. Okay, tour proposal package contest. This is actually under the MICE event of, I'm not so sure if it's tourism or hospitality management, but regardless, this aims to showcase the creativity, innovation, professional skills of tourism students in developing competitive and sustainable travel packages. The activity allows to apply their knowledge in destination marketing, tour planning, and customer engagement while promoting local tourism. Through this competition, students will experience real-world tourism practice by designing tour packages, highlighting the beauty, culture, and economic potential of, nakalagay dito ay Taal, Batangas. Okay? Nakalagay dito is Taal, Batangas, pero pag nakita niyo yung iba pang information, nakalagay naman District 1. So, siguro i-clarify natin to. Kasi nakalagay dito is Taal, not Nasugbu. Sabi nila Nasugbu, no naman Taal. Okay? This interactive event also encourages teamwork, strategic thinking, and effective communication, preparing students to become future leaders in the tourism industry. If so ever guys na ang Taal ay gagamitin pala for this activity, I may take up Taal na on your final output. Okay? So, if so ever ha, na Taal pala, kasi ngayon ko lang nakita, as far as I know, Nasugbu daw. Ngayon naman Taal yung nakalagay. Pero yung isa kong nabasa, District 1 naman daw. Okay? Anyway, let's just proceed first with this very basic information. So each team will promote a designated destination by creating a detailed, creative, and marketable tour package within the given time. Okay, the event aims to enhance marketing skills, digital creativity. So look at this ha. So you have to provide marketing tool. So kung may skills, how do you market? How do you promote it? Okay, and then promotion can be verbal, can be word of mouth, but at the same time can be in the online platform. Okay, digital creativity in relation to the marketing skill and digital creativity. So you will be making tawag dito e-copies, videos, marketing videos, digital copies of your tour package. Other than digital copy, you may also make a hard copy. I'll show you later. And then a professional confidence while you are actually tawag dito, presenting it, okay? Supporting the promotion of local tourism in the Philippines, okay? Particularly, participants will be given opportunity to present their tour package for panel of judges, simulating professional tourism pitch. Ibig sabihin, you're pitching, okay? You're pitching for a target market. Okay, this will help develop their presentation, problem solving, and interpersonal skills needed in the fast changing tourism environment. So what's the objectives? Again, ability to design creative and competitive tourism tour package based on the market needs or current travel trends. You will be enhancing your communication and presentation skills. So again, when you present, as much as possible or technically wala kayong bitbit na papel. Okay, kung meron man, just a few tawag dito, papers na at hindi siya pinabasa. Okay? Kasi when you present a tour package, you don't read. That's why it's very important that you have a very good PowerPoint presentation. That you will be using with your presentation. So, kailangan ng editing skills din dito. Kaya nga partner kayo eh. So, you collab. Sino bang magaling dito? But then again, on the presentation, it should be collaboration. Hindi isa lang yung magsasalita. Okay? And then, encourage teamwork. Like I said, teamwork siya, leadership and innovation among tourism students. And lastly, strengthens your confidence in preparing professional tourism proposal. Now, let's move with the mechanics. So, ito yung mechanics. Ito. Ang sabi dito, second year tawag dito, first to second year level that may send two participants. So, hindi lang pala kayo yung competitors. Meron ding ilang second year na magjo-join pala for this competition. Okay, wait lang po. And then, participants will create overnight or 2 days and 1 night tour package promoting attractions of District 1. So, kanina Taal, di ba? Pero ngayon nakalagay naman District 1. When we say District 1, Batangas, these are including municipalities of the western part of Batangas. Ako, sinama na pala nilang lahat. Okay. Wait lang po ha. Do-double check natin tong mechanic na to kasi kanina Taal tapos ngayon naman promoting attractions of District 1. Kasi ang sabi dito ay there are 8 local government units, Balayan, Calaca, Calatagan, Lemery, Lian, Nasugbu, Taal, Tuwi. So again, it's Tuwi, Taal, Nasugbu, Lian, Lemery, Calatagan, Calaca, Balayan. As far as my interpretation is concerned, it doesn't necessarily mean na lahat ng municipalities isasali nyo. Pwedeng yung dalawang magkalapit lang. Ma'am, pwedeng isa lang. I believe so. Kasi nakalagay naman dyan promoting attractions of District 1. So, again, for those who will be joining the tour package proposal, you can choose two or maybe you can concentrate on one. Yun nga lang, okay, ginamit na nila yung mga ilan sa mga choices natin sa presentation natin supposed to be sa final output. Pero wag muna natin problemahin yon. Okay? Let's just go first and concentrate. For those others na hindi naman magjo-join ng competition, guys, this can be as well my mechanics. Ang naiba lang dito is a specific municipality of Batangas. Pero anong laman ng tour package proposal? It could be this. Okay? Possible kasama po ito and there would be addition. Okay? Medyo konti nga lang to guys eh. So, nung nabasa ko to, it's good for you konti lang. Pero syempre, kahit konti yan, I will be telling you some parts pa rin na baka mamaya, yun ang itanong sa inyo during the Q&A. I don't know if there's a Q&A here, pero para walang maging Q&A, you have to give them the best shot of this information. Kasi ganun naman yun eh. Kung nabigay mo lahat ng information, there's no chance for them to ask question. Pero much better if you're ready. Okay? So again, what are the inclusions in tour package? So number 1 is your itinerary. So anong makikita sa mga itinerary or sa itinerary itself? There must be a transportation. Like here, the tour package must include transportation, accommodation, meals, activities, and itinerary. You have to mention a specific transportation. You have to mention a specific accommodation. Meals, saan manggagaling yung meals? From other restaurants, inside the hotel, inside the resort. So I'll give you a hint of those particular sample. And then of course, what are those activities included? Anong activity ang i-include nyo? Kung Batangas siya, number one ang hindi mawawala, of course, is maybe island hopping. Okay? And then, I'll give you a sample costing and pricing. Okay? And then, ano ba yung USP or unique selling points? Okay? And then last one, you also have to add target market. So before you go with the tour proposal itinerary making, guys, the first one that you should think, ang una pong ginagawa is who will be your target market? Okay, think about this. Okay, let's brainstorm a little. Kung sa Batangas, sino ba kaya mga target market dyan? Matanda? Family? Barkada? Working professionals? Are they active? Are they passive? That will give you a hint kung ano ang gagawin nyong mga activities or inclusion sa inyong IT. Okay? Can you follow me? All right, there you go. So, in addition to mechanics, guys, what about the photos, videos, digital editing tools? Sabi dyan, participants may use photos, videos, and digital editing tools, but sabi dyan, plagiarism is strictly prohibited. As much as possible, huwag po kayong kuha ng mga pictures at mga, what do you call this, mga videos from the YouTube. Kasi, plagiarize yun. And at the same time, how would I say this? Hindi magiging as tawag dito, unique yung inyong tour proposal kasi ginamit nyo na yung iba. If you have your own, okay, ma'am, literal na hindi kami pwedeng kumuha. Paano po yung mga information na gagamitin namin katulad po ng mga yan, i-include po namin. Okay? Um, as much as possible, hindi ko naman sinabing i-visit nyo yung mga lugar na gagamitin nyo. But then again, if you can get a personal ones from others, okay, but not exactly, hindi ko na sinabing wag kumuha, pero as much as possible, do not get a lot from those posted ones in the internet. Okay, kasi makikita lang yan. So, make sure na very tawag dito, when you do it, parang nagiging personalized siya. Later, I will tell you how. Okay, pag gumagawa ng IT na. Okay, but then again, as much as possible, wag nyo pong i-copy lahat. Okay? May chance naman talagang makapi. Parang sa research lang yan. At least 15% copy nyo, but the rest of the 85% hindi dapat kinapi. Okay, same with dito. Okay, reliable and updated information must be included in the tour package. Make sure, baka nakalagay doon sa inyo, per night is 2,500 and nagtaas na ang gas, 3,500 na pala. So you have to check yung updated, tawag dito, payments for the hotel, entrance fees, sa mga resort, entrance fees, sa mga attraction, baka nagtaas na rin. You know why? Again, gawa ng ating global economic problem, which is the gas surcharge. Okay, and then each team, you only have 10 minutes to at least within, okay, on or before 10 minutes, you have to finish the presentation. Okay, ma'am, sa final output ganyan din, yes. Dito, dalawa lang yung magsasalita, pero sa final output, it will be how many members in the group? It will be 5, 6, or 7. Pero kung ganun karami, I can extend it to 10 to 15 minutes. Since 2 days naman yan, take 3 hours or 2 hours, ay 1 hour nga lang pala tayo. Nako, kailangan nating mag-adjust pala. Okay, since 1 hour lang ang class natin dahil ginagawa natin siya ng Thursday classes lang. I will not be using Friday for online presentation. It should be face-to-face. Okay, for those who's here for the final output. So, same with, okay, 10 minutes lang for pair, pero sa final output natin, I can extend it until 15 minutes. Entries must be submitted via email. Hindi pa to na naka-clarify kailan ang due date. So you still have time. Today is April 1, April 15. So you have to make after this day, you have to make your tawag dito, informations that you will be needed, and you have to decide by pair ano yung una yung gagawin, target market, tapos anong particular municipality or municipalities you will be using for your overnight tour package, and then finally, kapag nakuha nyo na yung IT, nakuha nyo na yung target market nyo, you will be now making an IT that will definitely will make or tawag dito, in accordance to the likes and wants of your target market. Okay? And then, the decision of the judges during the ano na pala to. So, will be final and irrevocable. This is the after na po ng inyong presentation. And the event will have 3 winners, champion, first place, and second place. Pero ngayon pa lang kinakongratulate kayo for taking this challenge. Kasi nga, you have very limited time. But then again, hindi naman siya ganun ka-complicated na works. So, mostly ay mga editing, writings, and then of course, presentation itself. Doon kayo maglalaban-laban. Okay? So, these are the criteria for judging. So, creativity of how you are going to make your tour proposal, the relevance of the theme. Syempre, you have to go along with the theme, which is the lakbay. Ano nga ba yung title niya? Lakbay Likha Tourism Tour Package Contest, particularly in the District 1 of Batangas. And then, marketing strategy. Anong strategy ang meron kayo doon sa tour package proposal nyo? So, I'll give you one. Siyempre, of course, you can make your own. Again, you have to make your own video marketing tawag dito for your chosen, what do you call this? Chosen um, destinations or destination in District 1 of Batangas. So you can check. Actually, ang dami niya. Mag-check nyo yan sa tawag dito sa net. Pero syempre, hindi nyo naman kailangang bumili pa na. Baka mamaya bumili pa kayo ng or manghiram. Well, kung may mahihiraman, why not? Okay? Pero kung hindi talaga, you can do your own marketing strategy. Pero yung iba na common ngayon, pag nakikita nyo yung mga video presentation, may mga aerial shots, yun, actually part yun ng marketing strategy. Pero syempre, kung wala naman kayong camera na ganon, okay, hindi naman kailangan. You just really have to be very authentic and very creative. Kung wala kayong ganong camera, paano nyo palalabasin yung sarili ninyong video at tawag dito marketing strategy? Okay? Well, commonly, syempre, brochures, um, tawag dito, e-brochures, pero pwede ring may hard copies kasi common yun. So, dapat may tour package din kayo na strategy doon. Pero syempre, additional sa marketing strategy nyo, 20% yun, yung video presentation. So, that's another work. Okay. And then yung visual impact, visually, how the tour package is proposed. So, yung mga lahat ng ipapakita nyo sa presentation, and something that you could prepare as hard copies, kasama yon. Okay? And then, presentation skills, hindi ko lang dala yung aking copy. Try kong ipakita sa inyo isang group kung kompleto siya, pero parang hindi kompleto eh. Okay? And then, of course, lastly, presentation skills. So, that's also 20%. Halos pare-pares, di ba? Matataas yung presentation, tawag dito, criteria. Magkakatulad yung kanilang, magkakalapit. Ibig sabihin, all these things are very important. Now, let me give you a sample, okay, on how you are going to tawag dito, make your tour proposal. So, technically, ganito siya, guys. So, dalawa kayo. Then, you have to greet. And then, you will present yourself as part of a company. Although, wala dito, pero ay tawag dito, I suggest na gawin nyo to. Kasi ito rin yung gagawin nyo sa aking presentation. Kasi dito nakalagay kaagad itinerary. So, prior of making itinerary, dapat may company siya. So, ano pangalan ng company nyo? Okay, so may name and logo, and then briefly discuss tawag dito, what's your name, company name and logo. Pwede nyo rin ilagay, hindi ko man lang ilagay dito, anong mission and vision ninyo. Okay, so this is just an example from one of my groups during my tawag dito, midterms. Ito kasi yung midterm guys nila, midterm assessment nila or midterm exam. So, gumawa sila ng logo, and then wait lang, medyo napabilis. Yan. Pagkatapos nun, discuss naman your target market. Ito yung sinasabi ko, part na talaga to ng inyong criteria. Discuss your target market and the team. Ano ba yung team na meron kayo? So nakalagay dyan, ang kanilang target market is young adults, and then generally the theme of their tour package is particularly the following attractions. So falls, beaches, and coastal scapes. Somehow, it's quite the same kasi ganun din ang idea ng Batangas. But this one is in Pangasinan. Okay? And then, from there, okay, itinerary. Balikan ko lang ulit yung ano ha. Kasi dito sa inyo ay, ayun na yun. Picturean ko lang ah. So again, you can start with the company logo and then your target market. And then, you can include now your tawag dito, itinerary, or bago yung itinerary para ma-discuss nyo yung transportation, accommodation, meals, and activities. Bago nyo discuss yung itinerary, I hope you're following me. Bago nyo siya i-discuss nyo yung tour package. So, pwede nyo ilagay dyan yung inclusions, ito yung mga meals, tour guide, private vehicle, hotel accommodation. To make it more exact, okay, para maging exact siya, pwede niyo siyang isulat or i-present or probably verbally tell it, okay, prior kung anong klaseng ano-anong mga meals, ano-anong tawag dito, what's the name of the accommodation, and then or pwedeng generally yun na. Oh, ito lang yung nakasulat talaga. Pero ito lang naman usually talaga nakalagay sa tour package, inclusion and exclusion. So dito nilagay nila, yan yung inclusions. So yung exclusions, ibig sabihin, hindi kasama doon sa payment is our snacks and additional activities. So kindly tell as well anong additional activities. Ito guys, yung sample tour package proposal and at the same time brochure. So nakalagay dito yung pangalan ng kanilang what do you call this, yung kanilang logo, tapos yung price per packs, tapos yung mismong highlights ng kanilang package, so nakalagay din dyan yung inclusion. Ito guys, pwedeng maging part ito ng inyong marketing strategy. So brochure ito, yung mismong brochure nyo ng tour package proposal ninyo. At nakalagay yung mga information at yung mga highlighted tawag dito, what do you call this, destinations, attractions ninyo. So, pwede nyo gawin na style din yan. But again, you can be creative on your own, but this could be one good example na. So, again, you can go with your company logo, discuss the mission and vision, who is your target market, what, why, they are your target market in Batangas, and then you can go now with your tour package. And then finally, you can go with your itinerary. Okay, but with you, it's just 2 days and 1 night. Ito kasi ay outbound ito. So, outbound meaning going out from the country. So, what they did is 3 days and 2 nights in Bangkok. Kaya, medyo, tawag dito, mas marami yung kanilang itinerary. Okay? Anong tawag sa itinerary type na to? Kung natatandaan nyo sa discussion from our midterm. Anong tawag sa itinerary na to? We have 3 types of itinerary. What are those 3 types of itinerary? Naku, nakalimutan na. Ano yung pinakasimple at saka hindi pa complete na itinerary? How do we call that? Wala nakakatanda. Yes, Comer. Nagtaas ng kamay si Comer. Am I correct?
The technical for the skeletal type of itinerary po.
Okay. And the other one, yung pinakasimple, what was that? May sumagot ba? Skeletal itinerary. But this one is it skeletal? Ito nakikita nyo, ano to? Is it skeletal? May pictures eh. Yes, descriptive siya. Pag kompleto siya, okay, tingnan nyo guys, may May transportation by air, nilagay nila yung airport, nilagay nila 5J. So kung 5J yan, ano yan? Pag 5J. Anong airline yan? Pag 5J. Alam niyo yung airline na 5J? What's that? Pag PR. Ano yung 5J? Cebu Pacific. Pag 5J, pag PR, that is Philippine Airlines. Okay? So, nakalagay dyan. At yung sinasabi ko guys na inclusions. Kailangan may transportation na nakalagay sa itinerary. Okay? Yun yung mga hinihingi sa mechanics. So, kailangan mag-mention kayo. Ma, punta lang kaming Batangas. So, ano ang gagamitin yung transportation? Eh di, syempre by land. And at the same time, kung may what do you call this? Kung meron kayong island hopping, meron ding by boat. So, you have to, tawag dito, make sure if you can, okay, halimbawa mayroong resort hotel, anong pangalan? Baka may pangalan yung kanilang, alam ko may mga pangalan yung mga boat rides eh. Okay, so you can also mention that. Okay, and then, at the same time dito, yun nga lang medyo mahirap to kasi nga international to. But then again, they have included as well the pictures particularly. Okay? So descriptive ang gamitin nyo pag gumawa kayo ng IT for 2 days and 1 night. Yan, ito mas clear to. So yan, may nakita kayong oras ng assembly, may departure, may mention dito, arrival and breakfast at Maxine of the Sea. Hindi nga lang nila nilagay dito. Dapat guys, pag naglagay kayo ng picture or nag-descripted itinerary kayo, since hindi naman kilala ng mga guests or ng mga client kung kanino kayo nagpo-propose, lagyan nyo ng label yung mga pictures. Alin dito yung 100 Island National Park, alin dito yung tawag dito, ayun, Punta Riviera Resort, yun pala yung hotel na tila. So you can put label on it. But this one is also descriptive, kulang lang ng label doon sa picture. Okay? Then, pag natapos nyo na, yung 2 days and 1 night, syempre, ang kahulihan nun is back to your original location. Kung saan kayo nag-meet, doon din kayo mag-meet or doon din kayo babagsak sa inyong extended time of arrival pa uwi. Okay? And then, in addition, may terms and conditions din. Walang nakalagay dito guys sa inyong ano, 'di ba? Sa inyong mechanics. Pero you may also include this. Okay, baka kasi tanungin kayo or pwedeng include nyo lang kung saan part nyo pwedeng include. Baka lang kasi tanungin kayo, eh what if hindi makapagbayad or kailan pwedeng magbayad? You may also consider this basic information. So yung payment policy guys, 50% down payment required. Kailan? At least 30 days. And then yung full payment, usually 10 to 15 days. Hindi siya pwedeng 1 week or days ahead. So, you can search it out. So, masa-search nyo naman yan. So, you may include this. Kailan pwedeng mag-cancellation? Sabi dyan, partial refund at least 1 week before. Hindi pwedeng mag-refund ng days or day before the trip. Okay? Same day cancellation, non-refundable. Pwede naman mag-cancel, pero hindi na siya non-refundable. Hindi na siya refundable. And then, for the health and safety, ito ay halimbawa lang doon sa mga religious sites, kung ang magiging team ninyo sa inyong Batangas ay sabihin natin na historical and tawag dito religious tourism, syempre hindi pwede yung mga naka-shorts. Okay, yun yung mga sinasabi natin na team. Kasi ito lang yung idea ko. Pag Batangas, pang beach lang ba talaga? So, yun yung i-check nyo. Baka may historical side. So, yun yung team. And then from there, you could have an idea, sino magiging target market natin? Kasi hindi naman lahat mahilig sa beach eh. Okay? May mga nagjo-join na family sa beach, pero tingnan nyo, hindi sila swimming. Okay? So, that's the idea on how you are going to make your tawag dito, itinerary. And then, meron nakalagay kasi dito USP. Okay, or unique selling points. Yun yung wala sa mga present ko na sample. Pero ang idea lang naman dito is it's just probably one-liner marketing strategy para masabi yung unique selling point yan. So, sample dyan guys, ito yung mga hyper-personalization and convenience like such as private airport transfer. Okay, yung iba naman kasi pag private airport transfer, yung iba hindi private. Yung iba naman, private cooking class. So, ibig sabihin, para sa inyo lang yun. Wala kayong ibang kasama. So, yun yung mga authentic na unique selling point. Meron naman dito, um, there will be niche and specialized interest tours such as underwater photography. Yung iba kasi walang mga ganun. Okay, basta nag-island hopping ka, kanya-kanya kayo ng pagpa-picture. Pero para mas ma-feel ninyo, may picture kayo underwater, so meron silang photographers underwater. So yun, pwede yung sample unique selling point. So paano nyo lang yun sinasabi? Doon sa inyong proposal. Ito po sa baba, nakalagay dyan, small group sizes, sabi dyan, ensures personal attention and a more intimate experience. Why? Kasi hindi sila for big groups. So, hindi sila for 40 to 30, pwede ang target lang nila 10, 15. So, yun, small group siya. Or maybe tawag dito, as small as 5 or 6 or below 10. So, very personal yun. Okay? And then, yung iba naman, expert local guides. Okay? And then, yung iba, seamless logistic. Ibig sabihin, a completely stress-free vacation where everything will be handled by the tour operator. Okay? So, that's the sample USP or unique selling point. What will be yours? Anong magiging USP nyo? Again, depende yan sa target market at depende sa itinerary na gagawin nyo in relation to your target market. We're done. We're almost done. And this is the sample costing. Okay? So, i-drop natin siya one by one. Okay? So, pag gumagawa tayo ng costing, meron tayong listing of information. So, ano-ano yung mga listing information? This one, guys, is good for 3 days and 2 nights. But somehow, you may also consider this. Okay, so this one, nakalagay dito, transportation. So, ano yung description ng transportation nila? 12 to 15-seater van rental. Applicable to sa inyo kasi land-based tour lang kayo. Wala kayong airfare. So, anong computation? Yan ay medyo mahal kasi for 3 days yan, guys. 15,000 yung rental ng van. What about you for overnight in Nasugbu or in any of the municipalities? Okay? And then dito, ang unit, dalawa kasi good for 30 packs yata itong kanilang target market. Kaya 30,000 ang kanilang transportation. Okay? Licensed tour guide nila for 3 days and 2 nights. Medyo mahal din for 5 for individual tour guides. Since dalawa, 9,000. Okay? Pero again, hindi po yan pare-parehas. You can check on the, what do you call this? On the net, pwede kayong mag-check sa net sa lahat. Makakapagbigay sila sa inyo ng information about that. But this one is quite a bit specialized. Tawag dito, tour guide kasi medyo mahal siya. Pero again, this is 3 days and 2 nights. Pag tinignan nyo, pwedeng 1.5 per day yon. Tama din lang, 1.5 per day. Kaya 4.5 siya for 3 days and 2 nights. And then, yan ay para sa licensed tour guides, pero doon sa specialized tour guide naman sa Ganana Falls, Diamond Cave, may specific din. So merong 250, may 150, iba rin yung number ng unit or ilang tao, yung isa, dalawa, pero sa Diamond Cave, 4 ang kinuha nila. And then travel insurance, um, it also included, bakit ba may travel insurance for unexpected, what do you call this, incidents, minor incidents lang yan. Halimbawa ay kailangang sabihin natin ipa-check up, so meron tayong extra. Pero syempre, hindi yan ganun kalaki. Kasi possible good for 1, 2 or person yan. So they were expecting na may ilan lang, pero iba pa yung first aid kit. Kasi ang first aid kit, yung mga gamot-gamot lang. Okay, so yun yung sinasabi natin, travel insurance and first aid kit. And then finally, accommodation. Ang accommodation nila dito guys is hotel. Ibig sabihin, bakit 2 packs? Kasi twin room siya, good for 2 packs lang. Okay, so naka-base din ang inyong number or target market based doon sa inyong hotel accommodation. Tawag dito, by fours ba siya, triple room ba siya, quadruple room, that's 4, triple room by 2, solo ba siya, kaya medyo mahal. Okay, so you have to search the accommodation prices that you will be using as well for your itinerary. And then, at the same time, lahat ng mga activity fees, entrance fees, you may also consider here. Kaya dito guys, may nakalagay mga entrance fees. So yung iba naman mga mura lang, 10, 15, 25, 25. Meron ding mga environmental fee. Okay? At the same time, kung gusto nyo ng, ito, meron pa mga special fee din, say for example, headlamp, flashlight, kasi meron sila doon na activity na mag-caving sila. So, part yon ng kanilang activity fee. And then, boat ride, of course, for island hopping, is also considered. So, ilang boats? So, makikita nyo dyan, tatlo, kaya 1/8 siya. Now, after the activity, you may also consider meals. So, ito yung mga hinahanap kanina doon sa list ng inyong mga information, but at the same time, it's also part of your costing. At pagdating sa meals, very specific din. So, may breakfast, lunch, dinner, dinner. So, tawag dito, parang nagkamali yata sila dito. Kulang ng isang lunch. Bakit walang isang lunch dito? Okay. But you can check it out. So, 2 days and 1 night lang yun. Ilang lunch yun, ilang breakfast, whatsoever. So, depende kung saang restaurants. So, yung isang last nila na dinner, McDonald's na lang. Kasi pauwi na sila niyan. Okay, and that's good. Sa kanila pala, ang target nila pala ay 24 lang. Okay, hindi pala 30. So, gusto nilang maluwag. So, yung van nila ay good for 12 lang talaga. So, yung ibang other space siguro ginamit sa bag. Kaya instead na 30, 24 lang. So, then, you have to total it together and the net cost, look at this, yung mga information na gusto kong i-clear sa inyo. Yung net cost is 156,87,000. Okay? Now, okay. Bakit merong total selling price? Okay. Ganito yan guys. Yung 156, this is the basic computation. Ang tawag natin dito guys sa costing plan na to is cost plus pricing, meaning to say we will be adding a certain percentage markup. May markup tayo na 15%, kaya nagkaroon sila ng bagong price, which is the total selling price with 15% markup. So from 156, nilagyan nila ng markup na 15. So ganito guys, yung 156, i-multiply nyo sa 15%. Please do it. Okay. May nag-compute ba? I hope you did. Para malaman nyo kung paano mag-basic computation sa cost-based plus pricing times 0.15. Okay. Anong lumabas? Sige nga, anong lumabas guys? Kindly PM nga po kung nakita. Ano pong lumabas na? Sagot. Kindly comment, chat. Yes, very good, Aya. So, anong gagawin doon sa 23,531? You add 23,531 to 156,875 and the new total selling price is 180,406 406 pesos. Ma'am, what is the 23,531? The 23,531 15% markup is your target profit. Come to think of it, yun yung makukuha ninyong profit for serving 24 packs in an overnight. Sample lang, hindi pala overnight, 3 days and 2 night trip. Pag nakikita ko to guys, 3 days and 2 nights sa Pangasinan, ang kita lang nila ay 23,000. Okay? Maybe, somehow, sa mga starter pack ng mga businesses, baka ganun lang kababa. Pero kapag lumalaki na guys, yung kita guys, hindi na lang po putyo-putyong 20 or 20 mil guys. Habang lumalaki, dumadami, ibig sabihin na dadagdagan yan. Ang maximum markup is actually 30 to 40. Come to think of it, yung mga may mga package. Magkano yung package nito? 9,000 plus plus lang. Di ba may mga package? 35,000, 22,000. Paano kung yung markup nila 30? So you see yung original price. Lalo na ngayon, baka nagtaas kasi nga mataas ang gas. So can you follow me? These are the last lessons that we are going to have for the entire finals. At na-advance na sa inyo. Okay? So ito po yung basic. Now, paano nakuha yung 9,020? Ang gagawin nyo guys, 180 406.25. Ilan yung guess nila? 24. Divided to 24. Okay. Divided, tama ba? 24, 180. Bakit 7,500? Teka lang nga. 9. Parang may discrepancy sila dito. Teka. 20 lang. Oy, very good naman. 20 lang ginamit nila. Hindi 24. Thank you. Okay. Si Eunice ang nakahanap kasi nagulat nga din ako bakit 9,020. So 20 lang. Bakit 24 nila dito, no? Yeah. Sorry. Bakit may 4 nakasama dito, guys? Okay? Doon sa meals, ba't nadagdagan ng 4? Remember, may driver at saka may license tour guide. Can you follow me? Okay. Very good si Eunice doon. So, 20 lang. Okay. Wala kasing entrance fee ang guide at saka yung driver. Hindi rin naman sumasama yan. So, again, divide 180, 406, divided by sa 20. Divided by sa 20. There you go, tama siya. Okay, thank you, Eunice. So again, ang total pala nila is sobrang what do you call this? Maluwag sila. Pero hindi rin, may guide nga pala sila dalawa. Okay? Tapos may driver. So 14 talaga yung sa van nila. So 10 tapos plus 2 guides and then 1 driver. Anyway, one licensed tour guide kasi dalawa yung van nila. So, particularly, there are 13 packs kasi 12 to 15 seater yung van rental nila. There you go. So, that's the basic cost plus pricing. Okay? So, ang kinita lang talaga nila dito, guys, is 23,000. Okay? For 3 days and 2 nights. Pero pag tinitingnan ko, parang mura lang. So, dami yung pagod for 3 days and 2 nights. Kasi nga, 15% markup. Pero, for a starter pack na tour, tawag dito, tour agency or travel and tours or tour operator, okay na yun. Pero, again, habang tumatagal, dumadami yung mga guests nyo, dumadami rin yung inyong kita. Okay? So, that's the last part of your tour package. Okay? There you go. Questions? Clarifications? Lalo na dun sa mga yes, Nichelle. Thank you, Nichelle. Sige, go ahead, Nichelle.
Ma'am, for instance po, ang marketing strategy po namin ay brochure. Are we to provide...
Yes. You will provide a hard copy. Habang ganito kasi yan guys pag nagpro-propose kayo, you are acting that your judges are your clients. Okay? Remember this when you propose, when you do the proposal presentation, you are acting like you are part or not part, that you are sabihin natin, the operations manager, the representative of Lacuachero Travel and Tours. So kapag nagpresent kayo in 10 minutes, you were acting like you have a short presentation to your client and your client is your guest. And definitely, habang nagsasalita kayo, there are times na lumalapit kunwari kayo sa guest, tapos inaabot niyo yung brochures, pinapakita niyo yung tawag dito, yung laman nito, and then the rest of the information, pwedeng nandun sa PowerPoint. I don't know if that's the setup that they will have, na may TV or merong gamit na view board. Kasi as far as I know, hindi naman siya gagawin sa stage kasi simultaneous yan Baka ang nasa stage ay yung magpe-present sa Miss I don't know the term of the pageant, yung pageant competition. Pero yung sa inyo, closed door yan. Okay, pero if you want additional points, video strategy for your marketing is a good point. Kaya nga lang, sabi ko nga sa inyo, medyo maikli lang yung presentation, but if you could make it on your own, may time kayo, or may makakatulong sa inyo na mag-video, that would be a great help. Okay, kahit yung mga segundo lang, mga 30-second or maybe less than a minute video presentation of your chosen destination with including yung mga tawag dito, yung mga attractions. You can search it, maraming ganyan, mga short marketing video. Okay? Sorry, ang dami kong sagot, Michelle. Did I answer your question? Okay. How about the others? Okay. Yun lang? Wala nang ibang tanong? Naintindihan? Wala nang ibang tanong? Okay. Adorna, Robbie. Yes, Aya. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Lalo na yung mga magjo-join sa competition. But for those na magjo-join para sa final output, again guys, this can be a copy paste of what they have on the presentation. Kaya nga sabi ko, mukhang negative na parang challenging pero positive din ito kasi ibig sabihin nahasa na sila sa presentation. Ang gagawin na lang nila is ipasa yun sa mga members nila kasi yung members nila, they should be as active as the other presenters like yung mga nag-join sa competition. Anyway, Aya, go ahead.
Yung sa location po.
Oo.
Sure na po ba yun?
Siguro District 1. Yun yung sure. District 1 talaga kasi yung nakalagay eh. Instead na mag-concentrate kayo sa Taal, baka typo error yon. Pero ang nakalagay kasi doon District 1. So you choose any of the municipalities in the tawag dito District 1. Maybe dalawa, pero para sa akin 2 days and 1 night, yung makatotohanan sa 2 days and 1 night, isang municipality lang yun. Sa akin. Kasi akala ko Nasugbu lang yung gagamitin eh. Pagdating dito, ginawa nilang District 1 eh. Kaya ako medyo tawag dito naguluhan. Kasi let's be real, magiging unfair kasi yon doon sa mga tawag dito, sa mga sabihin na natin, for those who joined the competition, edi parang meron na sila na nagawa na. Parang i-adapt na lang nila yon. Kasi di ba ang sabi ko sa inyo, tawag dito, day tour lang ang ipapagawa ko sa inyo. Dito, 2 days and 1 night. So, mas ahead pa nga sila. For now, sige, I will verify today kay Miss Charlene Anga. Yung ano na to. Kasi nakalagay doon Taal, tapos doon sa susunod na mechanics, District 1. Overnight pala siya for District 1. Okay? I'll give you a heads up within the day. Okay? Anything else? Yes, Michelle. Sige, tanong lang kayo ng tanong para mas clear. Go ahead, Michelle.
Ma'am, kailan po ulit yung competition?
April 15, Wednesday. That is actually next week. Wednesday.
Ano po daw, ma'am? Kung pwede din daw pong gawing video yung marketing strategy sa...
Yeah. Oo. Pag sinabi
Finals.
kasi, yes. Wag mo, yung sa finals? Yes naman. Mas maraming chance pa kayo makapag-prepare doon. Pero maganda sana para makita rin ng mga judges. Pag sinabi nyo kasing video marketing strategy, one of the common marketing strategies, especially for the online platforms, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, lalo yung mga tourism sites, video na yung ginagamit rather than just brochures. Pero you can do it both as well. Okay. Okay, thank you, Michelle. You can take up your hands up button. How about the others? Wala na, ibig sabihin, ready na kayo? Okay, question. When can I meet you? This time, ang imi-meet ko na lang po is yung mga magjo-join ng competition. Okay, for the rest, I hope it did to help you to prepare as well for your final output. I do hope na may mga tawag dito, representatives per group. Okay? Kasi there's only 26 students right now. Medyo tawag dito, nalungkot lang ako kasi yung iba ay nag-left pa sa groups. Kahit kasi hindi kayo yung acting leaders, kung tawag dito, you're really, tawag dito, looking forward na mas maganda yung inyong output. Regardless na hindi kayo yung acting leaders or leader, I do look forward na nag-join pa rin kayo kasi you'll be of a good help as well to the other group members. Anyway, that's for all for today doon sa mga hindi po competitors. So, ang kailangan ko na lang po na magstay ay yung mga competitors na lang po. Thank you. I hope it helped you as well for the preparations. Salamat. By the way, yung iba dito ha, ay competitor din sa ibang category. Alam niyo na ba na kayo ay kasama sa competition as well? Say for example, si Pearl, si Eunice, si Robbie. Okay. Sige. Don't worry. Your names are listed. Pero syempre, do not expect tatlong quizzes ang exempted sa inyo ha. Pag-iisipan ko pa kung isa or dalawa. Pero sa tour proposal, as is na yon. Talagang tatlo sa kanila kasi mas mahirap yung preparations nila kaysa sa inyo. Okay, I hope you do understand that. Pasensya na. Okay, salamat. Okay. Again, for the rest, you can leave na po. Thank you. I will just have those 10, 9, or maybe 1 representative per team to stay para pag-usapan natin yung ating next meeting. When and what are you going to present? Sige. Yes, you can go ahead. Yan. All right. Yan. Kompleto ba tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, wala lang si Gian. So, Aya, bahala ka na kay Gian. Okay. So, alam niyo na kung ano ang mga dapat i-prepare. Ang question ko, when can we meet again? Wherein I would be seeing some of your works. Then, magko-comment ako doon sa mga gawa nyo na pre-work ninyo, and then you could prepare and I will tell you how are you going to prepare for it as well. Kailan pwede? Possible next week, of course. So, kailan, if ever? Okay lang ba sa inyo? Saturday, 11, or may pasok kayo? Kung may pasok, pwede naman sa gabi. Or alin na mas free sa inyo? Wag naman Sunday. Okay? We have classes ng 10. Pwede naman pala. Ganito na lang, guys. Yung 2-hour class natin, okay, di ba may 2-hour classes tayo tapos may mga section na magjo-join sa ibang section. Yung last 30 minutes, gagamitin na lang natin sa tawag dito, preparation. So, ikakat ko sila ng 1.30 and the remaining 30 minutes para sa inyo. Will that be all right? Para nasa oras pa rin tayo ng klase, hindi na kayo maghahanap ng oras. Okay, thank you, Cheska. How about the others? Okay lang sa inyo yun? Okay. So, yun. So, again, what I want you to do is, of course, I want you to have, number 1, you decide as a pair, sino ang target market nyo. Kailan nagiging original, unique ang inyong itinerary and tour proposal? First and foremost, you have to get target market. When you say target market, isa lang ha, isa lang. So, pag sinabi nyo isa lang at unique, halimbawa, adventurers yan. Pag sinabi nyo adventurers, general yun. Anong klaseng adventurers? Diver? Trekkers? Tawag dito, religious group? Youth ministry group? Ganon. So, yung mga sinasabi natin na one target market. Kapag nakakuha ka na kayo nun, then you can start now making your own logo. Kahit wala nakalagay doon, di ba guys? Maglagay pa rin kayo. Kasi paano yung masasabing tour operator kayo kung wala kayong tour name, tour logo, and then sa discussion, lagyan nyo lang ng konting short mission and vision ng inyong tour operator's name or tour or travel agency name. And then from there, you can include your tour package exclusion and inclusion. And then from there, you may also do now your itinerary. Again, 2 days and 1 nights. Make sure descriptive siya. Okay, descriptive. Check niyo yung mga sample doon. Kailangan mayroong assembly, may ETA, ETD, okay, first day at saka second day pag-uwi. At tapos, wag din kakalimutan, be specific as well doon sa transportation, what do you call this, meals, restaurants, accommodation, descripted, lagyan ng picture para kita. Okay? So, may mga samples akong binigay. So, make it unique, make it more creative. So, Canva rin lang ang labanan dyan. Okay? Sometimes, even your brochures, ginagawa rin ng mga students generally sa Canva. And then, yung sabi ko nga, yung additional nyo na marketing strategy, short video presentation of the destination that you would like to be used, particularly all the attractions or maybe few of the attractions that they will be visited. Pero kung kaya nyo may lagay, originally, why not? It will be really of good help. And then, finally, you're ready for your costing. Balikan nyo lang yung costing. Again, 2 days and 1 night lang naman yung sa inyo. Yung sample ko ay 3 days and 2 nights. And then, lagyan nyo lang ng parang doon sa pagkatapos ng inyong presentation sa last part. So, lagyan nyo lang ng lasting word. Ano yung lasting word nyo as a, tawag dito, as end of greeting ninyo pagkatapos ng tour proposal. Kasi kailangan yung practicing yan para hindi kayo sosobra sa 10 minutes. Pero kung tinitingnan ko yung laman ng presentation, kahit wala pang 10 minutes, mapresent nyo siya. Yung sa students ko kasi sobrang dami nun na present nila. More or less 20 to 30 minutes kasi ang daming mga inclusions pa. Kulang pa nga yan eh. Pero yan yung basic. And then at the same time, kung gusto nyo makakita ng mga sample, ito na yung perfect time nyo na maghanap sa YouTube. Ang dami yan. Okay? Questions? Set na tayo? April 10, after na lang ng lesson ninyo, saka tayo mag-meet ulit. And again, I look forward, meron na kayong nagawa nun. Kasi from there, you only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days to prepare. No, 4 na lang pala, 11 to 14. Kasi 15 is your presentation proper. I'm sorry, hindi ko kayo mapupuntahan. Kasi 15 is Wednesday, may klase ako sa ibang school. Okay? But I look forward na sweep away nyo yung second year. Okay? Kasi kayo yung may TTM ngayon. Okay? Kasi may mga kalaban kayo. So, congratulations. You are, tawag dito, 5 participants under my classes. So, I look forward na yung 3 ay manggaling sa inyo. Kahit yung 2 ay hindi, pero makita ko lang yung scores na hindi naman talaga ganun kalalayo. And the mere fact that you joined, it's already a congratulations for me and for you. Okay? So still, manalo or hindi, lahat kayo makaka-receive ng 3 quizzes exemption. Okay? So there you go. Wala na ba talagang tanong? Okay na? So thank you very much. You can check out again this meeting. Share ko na lang yung link doon sa GC ninyo. Thank you. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Congrats in advance, and this is the time for you to work na. Okay? Okay. Thank you very much. You can go ahead na po.
Thank you
Thank
po,
you po.
Miss.
All right. Welcome.